Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by lowering the armrest and locating the hidden fasteners beneath the fabric cover. Remove 2 Phillips screws at the back using a PH2, then pry up the small plastic cap at the hinge with a trim tool. Once done, lift the fabric gently to expose the bolt beneath the foam. Make sure to support the armrest with your free hand so it does not drop. This sequence frees the outer attachments and prepares the armrest for the next disassembly steps. Next, unbolt the hinge and disconnect any wiring for power features. Use a 10 mm socket to remove the hinge bolt while you hold the armrest in position, then slide it rearward to disengage the bracket. If the foam or upholstery resists, work in small increments and rotate the armrest slightly to clear plastic catches. Keep track of every washer and spacer in a labeled container so reassembly is smooth. Once the hinge is free, inspect the hinge pin and bushings for wear before moving to final removal. To finish, lift the armrest straight up from the hinge and guide the mounting studs clear of the socket openings. Set the armrest aside on a clean surface and replace damaged clips or bushings as needed. When reinstalling, reverse the order, torque hinge bolt to factory feel, and test full range of motion before securing trim. If the armrest binds or feels loose after reassembly, the common fix is to swap worn bushings or add a thin washer. Make sure wiring is routed away from pinch points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.